Today we are doing another TryOn Haul, and this time with Zara. Join me. My name is Leia, and this is Leia Whisper.
I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me small. Our love is like a summer's day.
Okay, so let's just talk about this dress. This dress is from Amazon. The name of the company is R Vivimus, and they have really girly dresses, and I love them so much. Okay, so today we're going to do another try-on haul with Zara. Yes, Zara is my favorite fashion brand. It's very affordable, good quality, and it perfectly fit my body. Got this from Amazon, and it's really girly, and I really love it so much. I can also wear it like this for a more conservative look. But who wants that? So I do this. There you go. Let's get our two essential things when we're unboxing. And yes, that will be the Victoria's Secret hand sanitizer spray. I already sanitized these boxes, but now the second thing that we need is lay scissor. It's the scissors, guys. Come on, let's start. First, we have these 3 boxes that I have. It's been lurking inside my closet for a period of time, and I was thinking we're doing this. Yes, let's open the first one. I'm not sure what these are anymore because I know I ordered a lot. And mind you, I vowed of not buying anything. Oh, help me, Jesus. Cheese and fries. These are the white clothes that I ordered, and I ordered this because I was thinking of doing a photo shoot, and this is what I was thinking. On the beach, like an island setting. Don't want to go anywhere but in Rhode Island right now. Because yes, we're still on pandemic, guys. We are still on pandemic. Anyway, I was thinking of this. The setting is like the beach. And then I'm wearing white, all white dress, barefoot, and with a flower crown. Yes, I kind of like that. This is why I bought this. And this is the first one. This one is linen. It looks so pretty. Now, I super love the lace over here. There's lace. And then I didn't see this, but they actually have buttons on the side. So pretty. It has this diamond triangle type, and I feel like it's going to create an illusion of a slim figure. So yes, I kind of like it. And the back glass, love it. And yes, I still visualize myself in the beach with this, with a flower crown. I don't really give a shit. Yeah, I think I should remove my bra with this, but also I think I should get a white bandeau and white Spanx. Yeah, I kind of like this. Now the next one, I really thought this is silk too, but the reason why I bought this is because I've been obsessing all throughout 2020. Wanted to do a photo shoot to recreate our photo for our City Hall wedding in Fall River. And I was also thinking, why can't I wear something like a simple dress? So this one, I'm not loving how it looks, but maybe if I fit it. I think it's very classic, and I can probably have just like my hair down super straight, or pull it up, ponytail. It's very basic. I'm not sure. Maybe I should put a belt, but I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Now the second box. Oh, okay. This one is the shoes. This one is so inexpensive. It's like $30. And the reason why I bought this is because I needed flats, because I'm so used to wearing high heels. But ever since the pandemic, I'm not sure if I can still stand with stilettos. But this is super comfy, and that's what I needed right now. If I stand, then so be it. But this is super cute. There you go. The next one is the blazer, because I love blazers. And maybe one day, when I'm not super busy, I'm gonna show you all of my collection of blazers. This is houndstooth. Super cute. I'm not sure, it's very conservative. Let's try this jacket. This is double-breasted. I feel like I can wear it just with black pants. Yes, I kind of like it. This is a good work jacket. Very simple, very basic, and also very comfy. I kind of like it. Look at the texture. Houndstooth. Third box, third and last. Oh my goodness, I forgot about it. It's my linen jacket. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So pretty. This color is so trendy right now, but I don't really care about trend that much. I love the color. That goes with a skimpy shorts. Oh my goodness, so cute. This is linen. Yes, so cute, super cute. Now, oh, what's this? What's this? Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this. This is headband. How about like this? Oh, I like it like that too. Oh, so pretty. But I feel like my head is a little off, so it keeps on like, pushing up. But whatever, we're gonna figure that out. Maybe I'm gonna stitch it into my head. There's a skin in there that I can stitch. No, I'm joking. Totally joking. So I'm not sure if I like this. I removed the tag. How can I return it? Okay, there you go. Last but not the least. This is my favorite. As you know, I love eyelets. And this is an eyelet. Look. Look at that. I love it. This one is a size medium, and I'm not sure if it's going to fit me, but we'll see. I'm not gonna remove. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Yes, I don't think it's gonna fit. I think I need the large. This is large, so we'll see. I mean, the other one is large too, I think. It's the right fit because I love oversized jackets. I like it. Let me try the shorts. I love it. I love wearing shorts because I have really skinny legs. But now that I lost weight, my legs are skinnier. And now let's talk about this top. Yes, this one is a medium. And at first I didn't like it because I thought it's going to be super fit, but it's not. It's perfect size and it's very modest. So I think I can put a jacket on top of this and I even can wear it at work. If not, I'll tuck it in on a high-waisted shorts and maybe a white one because the pinks are, I'm not feeling it. Let's try the jacket. Yes, so I feel like I can use a white t-shirt to balance the pinkness of this. It's so Elle Woods. Ready to go. I love this. And then let's pair it with this white. There you go. I think I've loved everything. I hope you like this episode, another unboxing, and possibly next time I will have more unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Join us again next time for another episode of Lay a Whisper.
Lay a whisper on my pillow.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.